Well, first of all, I'm very excited today to announce the winning of the Iraqi team, the Gulf 25th tournament in Basra. I think it's such a marvelous and amazing victory for Iraq and for all the countries that support this country that is struggling to stand on its feet. The flocking of crowds to support the Iraqi team in Basra was really beyond imagination. People came from all provinces of Iraq. People came from other countries. People were standing behind the scenes watching the Iraqi team trying to make a progress. Despite the stampede and the crowds that were flocking to the stadium, we could see the enthusiasm. We could see something that is unparalleled to anything. We could see something that has not happened before. The support and enthusiasm of people from all countries, even from Oman, the country that is playing against us in the stadium of the Palm Trunk in Basra, or Jidh al-Nakhla in Basra, was really amazing phenomenon. I really would like to congratulate the Iraqi team on winning this tournament, and this is a great triumph, not to Iraqi team only, but for all the countries around the world. They're struggling to make a progress, to leave a good impression in people, and to show people that despite all the terror and extremism that media is doing the propaganda for, the country is not like that. The kind of gestures of generosity that people have shown in Iraq to all visitors and tourists from all countries is really going beyond just commending it and complimenting it. So thank you very much for the support, for the great impression that you left in people's imagination that they carried back with them on their flights back home. It is something that is going to be told for years to come, that the golf tournament in Basra was a great success. It's a small step for Basra, but a great leap for Iraq. Thank you very much for the support, for the generosity, for the altruism that you showed to people coming and flocking Basra and flocking the stadium to watch, enjoy, and feel the enthusiasm of the Iraqi people. Thank you very much.